Are you ready to unlock the secret to more efficient, nutritious, and stress-free eating? Discovering the joys of meal prep is your guide to a culinary adventure where planning and preparation transform your relationship with food. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll delve into the art of meal prep, unveiling the secrets of how it can bring joy to your meals, save you time, and support your health and wellness. 1. The meal prep mystery. In the opening paragraph, introduce the mystery of meal prep, where the act of preparing your meals in advance goes beyond just convenience. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to a more harmonious, mindful, and satisfying eating experience. 2. Understanding meal prep. Begin by defining what meal prep is and why it's essential. Describe how meal prep involves planning, cooking, and portioning your meals in advance, which not only saves time but also promotes better eating habits. 3. Efficiency and time management. Delve into the concept of efficiency and time management in meal prep. Discuss how dedicating a few hours a week to prepare meals can save you time on hectic weeknights and busy mornings. 4. Nutrition and portion control. Explore the nutritional benefits of meal prep. Emphasize how planning and portioning your meals allows you to control your calorie intake, choose healthier ingredients, and maintain balanced nutrition. 5. Variety and culinary exploration. Share how meal prep can introduce variety and excitement into your meals. Discuss the opportunity to experiment with different recipes, cuisines, and flavors, making every meal an adventure. 6. Reducing food waste. Highlight the reduction of food waste through meal prep. Explain how planning meals can help you use ingredients more efficiently and minimize unused perishables. 7. Mindful eating and stress reduction. Discuss how meal prep can encourage mindful eating, as you're more aware of what you consume. Explain how this can lead to stress reduction and a healthier relationship with food. 8. The long-term meal prep journey. Conclude with the idea that meal prep isn't just a short-term convenience. It's a lifelong commitment to creating joyous, nourishing, and hassle-free meals. Encourage readers to see meal prep as a transformative approach to a more balanced, convenient, and enjoyable way of eating. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the art of meal prep but will also be motivated to incorporate it into their daily routines, enabling them to savor the benefits of efficient, nutritious, and stress-free eating. Discovering the joys of meal prep is a journey into a world of culinary creativity and time-saving delight, where every meal becomes an opportunity to enjoy a more harmonious and healthful relationship with food. So, let's embark on this meal prep journey and discover the remarkable joys it can bring to your dining experience and daily life. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.